This universe doesn't understand Hindi or any other language. The universe understands only one language, and that is the language of frequency. It responds to you according to your vibrations, and these vibrations keep changing according to your feelings and emotions. The universe doesn't know what your desires are, and what your needs are. It only understands the frequency on which you are vibrating right now. If you feel fear, guilt, or vibrate at a frequency like shame, then you attract things that vibrate at the same frequency. And if you are vibrating at a frequency like love, happiness, and abundance, then you are attracting things that vibrate at the same frequency. If you want something, then you have to mix it with the energy of that thing. You have to know its frequency. This universe is always working in your support. Human languages versus universal language. Human languages. Human construct. Hindi, English, Mandarin, and other languages are human constructs developed to facilitate communication among people. Each language has its unique set of sounds, grammar, and vocabulary. Universal language of frequency. Frequency as a universal language. Nature of frequency. Frequency refers to the rate at which something occurs over a particular period of time. In a physical context, it often relates to waves such as sound waves, light waves, and electromagnetic waves. Universal presence. Frequencies are universal constants in physics and are not bound by human constructs. They govern the vibrations and oscillations of particles and energy across the universe. Communication beyond human language. The idea posits that the universe operates and communicates through these fundamental vibrations and oscillations rather than through human language. This means that at a fundamental level, everything in the universe, including matter and energy, can be described in terms of frequency and vibration. Frequency and vibration. Frequency refers to the rate at which a vibration occurs. Everything in the universe, from light and sound to atomic particles, can be described in terms of frequency and vibration. Scientific basis. In physics, frequency is a fundamental property. For instance, electromagnetic waves, including light, have specific frequencies, and sound waves are characterized by their frequency. Quantum mechanics also deals with wave functions and their frequencies. Resonance and harmony. Objects and systems in nature tend to resonate at certain frequencies. This concept of resonance is critical in understanding how different entities interact and influence each other. Bridging science and metaphysics. Quantum mechanics. At the quantum level, particles exhibit both particle-like and wave-like properties. The behavior of these particles can be described by their wave functions, which are characterized by specific frequencies. String theory. A theoretical framework in physics suggests that the fundamental constituents of the universe are one-dimensional strings vibrating at various frequencies. These vibrations determine the properties of particles. Energy and vibration in metaphysics. Many spiritual and metaphysical traditions posit that everything in the universe is made up of energy vibrating at different frequencies. This extends to thoughts, emotions, and intentions, which are believed to have their own vibrational frequencies. Implications of frequency as a universal language. Holistic understanding. Viewing frequency as the universal language allows for a more integrated understanding of reality, bridging gaps between physics, philosophy, and spirituality. It suggests that underlying all phenomena are patterns of vibration and resonance. Manifestation and influence. The idea that our thoughts, emotions, and intentions have specific frequencies implies that by aligning our personal frequencies with desired outcomes, we can influence our reality. This is a cornerstone of many self-help and spiritual practices. Unified field theory. Some theories in physics aim to describe all fundamental forces and particles within a single, coherent framework, often involving concepts of frequency and vibration. Practical applications. Sound healing and music therapy. The therapeutic use of sound frequencies to promote healing and well-being is based on the idea that different frequencies can influence physical and mental states. Meditation and mindfulness. Practices like meditation often involve focusing on breath, sound, or other repetitive activities that can help align one's mental and physical state with certain beneficial frequencies. Technology and communication. Modern technology, including wireless communication, relies on manipulating frequencies for transmitting data. Understanding and harnessing these frequencies is crucial for innovation. Conclusion. The assertion that the universe understands only the language of frequency emphasizes a shift from a human-centric view of communication to a more fundamental, universal perspective.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.